Today I'm gonna give you my special recipe for simple tea that can help you a lot if you have hip arthritis. With this kind of tea you will reduce inflammation, improve flexibility and any kind of problems that you have in very natural way. This is stinging nettle infusion for joint health. Intended use: supports joint health and reduce inflammation with stinging nettle, rich in vitamins and minerals. Ingredients: 1 cup of dry stinging nettle leaves, 4 cup boiling water. Preparation: place nettle leaves in the lard jar. Pour boiling water over the leaves. Cover and steep for the 4 hours or overnight. Strain and store the infusion in the refrigerator, and I'm gonna recommend you this kind of tea. You drink one in the morning, one later afternoon for 15 days in a row, then 15 days rest period, and you can all this procedure do it again. And this is one of the simplest way, because nettle is one of the best plant in the world, especially if you have sick joints and you would want to get better in natural way. This is special intended for you with the hip arthritis. For the last 25 years after I finished college, I'm working with the patient from all around the world. My specialty is natural remedies, nutrition and physical therapy and rehabilitation. Every year I help thousands of people from all around the world. If you want to know how you can cure your diseases through natural remedies and a healthy lifestyle, call my office, Mario Lab Center in Croatia at +385 98 9179 200. Feel free to contact us through Viber, WhatsApp, or visit my website mariolab.hr, where you can find many more information about my work and how I can help you. I have put my knowledge of natural remedies and nutrition in my 3 books. My 3 books is about nutrition. First one is Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity, and next 2 are about nutrition and the natural remedies that can help you a lot. The books are also available on English language on my website mariolab.hr. All information you have all below the video. My help is available to all of you from all around the world. If you are from North or South America, Africa, Asia, the Middle East, Australia or Europe, take advantage of my private phone consultation. Call my Mario Lab Center right now, make appointment, and I will make sure for you to get better in natural way with any kind of side effects, as I've been doing for the last 25 years.